There was a time when ideas lived only in his mind. Tentative, powerful, waiting. For nearly 4 decades, he's journeyed through the trenches of agencies, testing messages, studying minds, and crafting words that do more than sell. They persuade, they connect, they change. He realized early on that advertising isn't just about pretty layouts or clever slogans. It's about the psychology that drives us. What makes us lean in? What makes us decide, yes, that's it? But the journey wasn't easy. To master the art of persuasion, he dove into human potential training, hypnotism, and neuro-linguistic programming. He learned from the best, NLP co-developers, master trainers, and even hypnotic counselors, not just to sell, but to understand. Then, he turned his discoveries into action. He wrote a book, Cashvertising, a blueprint for advertisers and marketers around the world. It distilled decades of research, insight, and hard-won experience into a powerful guide. His work didn't stay local, it went global. His books were translated, his seminars traveled, and his ideas changed how people think about persuasive communication. From boardrooms to small businesses, from direct response to email, he's helped countless people unlock the consumer mind. At his core, he's not just a marketer, he's a guide, a psychologist of influence, a storyteller. He sees advertising not as a manipulation, but as a service, helping others find the right words, the right triggers, the right voice. Today, we celebrate you, Drew, not just for the best-selling books or the captivating talks, or the strategies that convert, but for the relentless curiosity, the willingness to dive deep into what makes us human, for turning struggle into clarity and insight into impact. Thank you for inspiring us. The next chapter begins now.